every digital device has its own internal clock, and it's extremely important when dealing with digital transfers that every unit involved is referencing the same clock. So in this case, I have a Lucid clock that my Pro Tools rig is looking at, and we wanted to make Chris's computer, his logic system, look at that same clock. So we ran an SPDIF cable out of the Pro Tools rig and into his EMI26 box, and in his software he selected an external sync and switched it to SPDIF, and that allows his clock to be locked to my master clock. That way when the digital transfer's being done, there's not any random clicking or popping.
Take you through a couple of the sounds that we're using in the song. In this case I'm using an EVP-88 to get a couple of different Rhodes sounds. And you've got sound lists, you can walk through them, change it up to a Wurlitzer if you want.